Welcome back to Omni Garage. So today we're going to be unboxing the Rupes LHR75E, and this is the kit.
So what's really cool about these kits that you get from Rupes is they include these carry bags, and they don't use the same bags between the different machines. So we have unboxed a LHR15 previously, and it's got a bigger bag. So these are specifically created for the product inside.
Yeah. So this is the actual Rupes polisher here. Comes really well packaged.
So really long power cord on here. I know the LHR15 has the 9-meter power cord, and it looks very similar to that one there. So probably around the same. It's handy that you don't have to have extension cords in the garage with these. So again, this has a protector over the backing plate, and this is a 3-inch backing plate on this machine here.
Yeah.
So one of the things that it makes this a little bit different to some of the other machines is obviously that 3-inch backing plate, so you can put your smaller pads. This has a 12mm orbit on it, and it doesn't, like the 15, have any kind of variable trigger.
Yeah, this just has an on-off switch, so on or off, and then at the back it's got your settings here for what kind of speed you want. So you'd set it to like speed 4 or speed 5, and then you'd turn it on and away you go. No trigger.
Yeah, so again, on the back of this one, you've got a rubberized, really hard rubber, which means that you can sit it down on a surface, and it sits nicely, doesn't wobble around, and it protects the machine rather than having to put it on its side and scratch it up. So it's quite well thought out from Rupes.
So also in the kit we have our polishing pads.
So this comes with the 3-inch pads, so 3-inch on the back, and they come out to a 4-inch face, which is quite nice because you're not getting in the way of the backing plate. When you're polishing a car, it concaves out. Yeah,
so having that means that you can get up nice and close to your door panels and stuff like that, and you know that you're not going to be smashing the backing plate on your paint and doing any damage. So that's a really good design feature for Rupes and their pads.
So in the kit you get a combination. You've got 2 of the yellow pads, and these yellow pads are the fine, and then you've got 2 of the coarse, so the blue pads. So you've got either end of the scale, well, not quite either end of the scale. You've got the fine. There is one slightly finer than this, which is the white pad, but you've got 2 of each of those to work your way around the vehicle.
So if you wanted to buy the ultra fine pad, or you wanted to buy, I think it's the green, which is the medium pad, you have to buy these separately from this kit. And matching those 2 types of pads there, we have the blue, which is the coarse polish, and we also have the fine polish in the yellow here.
Yeah, so both of these come in 250ml bottles, and again, you can purchase these in litre bottles if you do want something more, but you're probably going to be using this machine a little bit more sparingly in terms of your pads, because this is doing your corners, your edge work, all of those areas that your bigger machines can't reach. And the polish is the same, you know, you're going to use the same polish across the 2 machines, it's just the pads, hence why there's less in this kit.
And also in this kit we have our some microfiber cloths. This does give us all 4 colours, so you've got the white, the blue, the green and the yellow. And these microfiber cloths are just basically used for taking back your polish, wiping the polish off, removing all those oils before you move on to your next section of paint.
Yeah, so this is exactly the same pack that you receive in one of the other Rupes kits. So the LHR15, for example, you've got the same microfiber pads.
And all the kits, they come with an instruction manual, so that's quite handy to have a read through there. And also, this is my favourite part. I'm a real sucker for accessories. I absolutely love accessories.
So you've got the polishing apron, which is really handy. It's got a couple of pockets in it, so if you are working away around the car, you're switching between pads or polish, you've got some pockets that you can tuck those away in. So that's quite nice that that's included in the kit as well. And what's really cool about the kit as well is inside here there's compartments. So you've got compartments to store your pads, you've got compartments to store your towels, and also really nice compartments to fit these 250ml polish bottles. So it's really, really organised. Things aren't going to go flopping all around the place.
And everything is tied down on this bag, so that's really nice that Rupes supply that. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the Rupes LHR75E, and that's the particular kit. So thanks to White Machine Tools for supplying us with this, with these products and allowing us to unboxing so that you guys can see what comes in the kit.
Yeah, so if you're interested in Rupes content, make sure you hit the subscribe button on Omni Garage, because we've got heaps more content like this already up on the channel and plenty more to come as well. So thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching.